Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an amazing tool for all you aspiring designers out there, Canva. If you're a beginner looking to create stunning graphics effortlessly, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is Canva? Canva is a free online graphic design platform that's perfect for creating social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. It offers a drag-and-drop interface and a vast library of templates and design elements. Whether you're designing for personal use, school projects, or professional marketing, Canva has you covered with its wide range of customizable templates. Setting up your Canva account. First things first, let's get you set up on Canva. Head over to canva.com and click on Sign Up. You can sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. It's super easy and only takes a few minutes. Once you're signed up, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your creative hub where all your designs will live. Exploring the interface. Now, let's explore the Canva interface. Let's pick a template to see how easy it is to customize. Simply click on a template, and it will open in your design space. From here, you can change the text, colors, images, and more with just a few clicks. Click to edit the text. Drag and drop elements. And upload your own images if you want. It's that easy. Once you're happy with your design, share your work with team members for feedback or directly publish it to social media platforms right from Canva. If you want to download, choose your file type and hit Download. You have a professional-looking graphic ready to share. That's it for today's introduction to Canva. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy designing, and we'll see you in the next video.